MS, it's the morning after your amazing victory in the ICC Cricket World Cup. Do you feel that the burden of 1983 has been lifted off your shoulders now?
Well, I don't think it was a burden. It was a big achievement. Of course, the duration, between 2011 and 1983 is quite a big one to fulfill. And if you see cricket, it's a very popular sport over here. And whenever we turn up on the field, we are expected to win. It doesn't matter who we are playing, where we are playing. So I wouldn't consider it as a burden. It was just that people knew that we are a very talented side, and they expected us to win. So it was just an opportunity. Home conditions, we knew the conditions quite well. Most of our players were in good nick, and we were struggling a bit when it come to the bowling line at the start of the tournament. But overall, I think the bowlers did really well because we defended modest totals at the same time also. So I think overall it's a big achievement.
And you rightly say that a lot of it is expected of this team. It always is. Do you think now it's even going to get worse because you're expected to win every game now that you've won the World Cup?
Well, the big thing with Indian cricket is the expectation levels. It just goes one way. It goes higher and higher. I don't think in the last 5 or 7 years that I have played that I've seen it come down. So I think it can only go one way, and it's higher and higher.
Yeah. The 1983 victory did amazing things for cricket in India. Do you think this victory will have a similar effect on the country?
Well, it will. It's a tough one because there's a height that you can achieve, but after that it's not about going up. It's actually maintaining the kind of height that you have achieved. So I think it will definitely help that because I don't think Indian cricket, when it comes to the hype and everything else, apart from the cricketing skills, I don't think it can go further up. It's already at its peak. What it will do is, it will stabilize it and will able to continue the peak moment for a longer duration of time.
And there's been some great players in India since 1983 and who've helped to develop the game in the country. And so is this victory partly due to their work as well?
Well, of course, because whatever we are, it's because of the chain reaction that happened, since winning the last World Cup in 1983. I said that in the press conference also. We saw two big players coming into the arena, close to 1989, Sachin Tendulkar and Anil Kumble, and then we saw a couple of more players, Rahul Dravid and Saurav Ganguly, followed by VVS, Javagal, Srinath, and the latest generation of Mohammad Kaif, Virender Sehwag, Yuvraj Singh, Harbhajan Singh. So I think everybody's contribution is important. Whatever laurels we are getting out of cricket, it's because of the handing over of the cricket heritage, to the next generation of players. So I think we'll have to maintain it and pass it on to the next, you can say, the latest generation of cricketers, and hopefully we'll be able to do that.
And what about all this money you're awarded after this? You must be the richest man in India at this stage.
That's one thing that's quite common in India. When we won the T20 World Cup, people showed their affection like this. It happens when you win big tournaments like this, and especially the longer the duration gets, the more the laurels or the rewards are. So that's secondary. As I always say, we need to do well on the field. Rest of the other things, you just follow if you're doing well on the field. So I think these are the complementary stuff that we are getting because we have done well on the field.